Alright, so Apple's new M4 MacBook Air just dropped, and it might just be the best laptop for most people. It's thinner, lighter, and more powerful, but is it really worth the upgrade? Let's find out. In this video, we'll cover what's new, how it performs, and whether it's worth your money. By the end, you'll know if this is your next laptop or if you should wait for something better. We'll start with the design and build, move into performance and battery life, and wrap up with who this is actually for. Apple has kept the same familiar design with the M4 MacBook Air, which isn't a bad thing. It remains one of the thinnest and lightest laptops on the market, making it incredibly portable. The unibody aluminum chassis feels premium, and the overall build quality is top tier, as expected from Apple. There are no major changes to the design, but that's because it already works. The display is still the 13.6-inch liquid Retina panel with True Tone technology. It offers great color accuracy, solid brightness levels, and sharp text, making it perfect for everyday use. One key thing that remains is the fanless design. This means the laptop runs silently at all times, which is great for a distraction-free experience. However, that also means that under heavy loads, performance might take a hit due to thermal throttling. But for most people, that won't be an issue. The keyboard and trackpad are still among the best in the business, with comfortable key travel and a large, responsive trackpad. Overall, the MacBook Air continues to nail the fundamentals. The biggest change here is, of course, the M4 chip. Apple claims it's more powerful and efficient than its predecessor, and in real-world use, that claim holds up. Everyday tasks like web browsing, video streaming, and working with documents are effortless. The laptop feels snappy, apps open instantly, and everything runs smoothly. When it comes to more demanding tasks, the M4 chip holds its own. Light photo and video editing, coding, and even some casual gaming are possible. However, if you're planning to do heavy 4K video editing or run intensive 3D applications, the MacBook Pro lineup is still the better choice. The base model comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is fine for general use, but upgrading to 16 GB or 32 GB is a smart move if you plan on keeping this laptop for years. Apple continues to dominate in battery life, and the M4 MacBook Air is no exception. With efficient power management, you can easily get over 15 hours of usage on a single charge, sometimes even more depending on your workflow. This makes it one of the best options for students, remote workers, or anyone who needs a reliable laptop throughout the day. Even with tasks like video streaming, browsing with multiple tabs, and light editing, the battery barely drains. This is one of the biggest advantages of Apple Silicon. Performance and battery life don't feel like trade-offs. You're getting both. And since it charges via USB-C, you can use the same charger for your iPhone, iPad, or other accessories, reducing the number of cables you need to carry. The M4 MacBook Air is ideal for students, professionals, and casual users who want a reliable, portable, and long-lasting laptop. If you're coming from an Intel MacBook or an older MacBook Air, this is a massive upgrade in speed, battery life, and efficiency. However, if you already own an M2 or M3 MacBook Air, the difference isn't huge, and you might not feel the need to upgrade. For those who need serious power for video editing, 3D rendering, or software development, the MacBook Pro lineup is still the better option. But for 90% of users, the MacBook Air is all you need. The M4 MacBook Air is one of the best all-around laptops you can buy today. It's fast, efficient, and offers ridiculous battery life while keeping its thin and light form factor. While it's not a huge leap over the M3, It refines what already made the MacBook Air great. If you need a reliable laptop for work, school, or entertainment, this should be at the top of your list. Subscribe for more tech reviews.